Welcome back to Half A Hot Rods. Today we're going to work on Chesney's Beach Rod, which is a 78 Oldsmobile Omega, slightly modified for potential off-road use. Hasn't actually seen off-road use yet.
Seen onto a football field.
Seen onto a football field through a fence, but we're not going to talk about when Wyatt did that.
Welcome to Hazard County.
Or that Wyatt did it. Anyway, she recently was notified by Wyatt, who got stopped by the local authorities for having a headlight out, that she has a headlight out. So today Chesney's going to show you how, and learn how at the same time, to change a headlight in, well, just about anything mid-80s and back. So it's a pretty simple process, but she's going to run through it so she knows how to do it in the future. Alright, so we got a new bulb. We got a couple of Phillips screw sticks, and it looks like there's 3 screws that hold this damaged chrome in that your brother messed up. So we need to pull all 3 of them out.
Oh no, our chrome's broken.
Is that funny, Ches?
Funny.
I would have used a cordless screwdriver and we'd have been done by now.
You said screw stick.
Yeah. I have assault screw sticks. Are they backing out?
Maybe. Yeti, come.
Yeti, come here.
You
Where are you going? Yeti. This hound dog. He's a good dog, aren't you, hound dog? There's Yeti. He's the not good dog. Oh. Yeti, that's not your bathroom. Yeti. You got hung up on it.
That one doesn't want to come out.
Okay, so if it's not wanting to back out, the hole might be messed up, the screw might be messed up, just put a little pressure on the plastic, on the chrome, pulling it out while you're unscrewing. A little pressure. Are you going the right direction?
Yeah.
Keep going. And we're not going to rip the thread now. Is it turning hard at all?
No.
Maybe go get the assault. Ouch! That's a hair on my arm.
Sorry.
Yeah, you look sorry. If you haven't seen the other video or videos on this car, we actually described what we did to it to get it where it is today. So you should check those out. Oh no. Is that the wrong size bit?
No.
You don't want to strip that head, then we'll really be hosed.
It was coming.
This is supposed to be a real simple, easy thing to do.
Well, now that you said that, it's not going to be. Just rotating that.
Well, the problem is they're like a plastic nut that they go into.
Just.
Oh, and it just broke. Super. So that's the plastic nut. This little plastic deal just jams into the metal back there, and that's what the screws go into. It's warm too.
Friction.
Yeah, the problem is, well, at least it's just the plastic trim ring. Now we're going to have to get a new one of those.
Yay.
Alright. So, there should be some screws in here. There's one here, and one here, and there might be one up there. Yeah, right here. We don't want to get this one or that one because those are the adjusters and we don't need to move those. Those are attached to the bucket. These other 3 just hold this ring on, which actually holds a headlight in.
So this one up here?
Yeah, so there are 3 smaller ones. That should be the sound of it breaking loose, hopefully.
It was. If you look at that headlight's the same as this headlight, and this headlight's different.
Yeah.
I think it was time.
Might be older.
Plus this one has a crack in it.
Allegedly, you're supposed to replace headlights in pairs.
Yeti,
I've never done
come
that.
here.
I put that box down there so you could drop your screws in that.
Oh.
It'd be harder to lose them than in the dirt. This is a great time to have a magnetized screwdriver.
Ooh, that's really broken.
Did you just break it?
No! The headlight is really broken. Wyatt probably broke it going to the fence.
Well, that could be.
That's gonna fall.
You want a magnet?
Is this one magnetized?
I don't remember.
What type of animal doesn't buy magnetized screwdrivers?
4 kind. What kind of animal doesn't have their own screwdrivers? There's one more up top.
Yeah.
You might be able to sneak it out without taking the top off. I don't know. Oh,
No.
watch the broken glass.
Hey,
Oh no. Where's your safety gloves?
the other one I'm not probably gonna be able to unscrew. It's right behind that.
Well, you probably could have before you did that. Alright,
This
so
is-
there's a plug on the back.
Uh-huh.
You just have to hold on to the headlight and kind of wiggle it back and forth. It's just like a wall plug almost. It's got 3 tabs on it. Broken.
Oh no!
Oh no. Oh no.
Our headlight
Man, that gets funnier every time, Ches.
super broken.
Nope.
I don't want to cut myself. Ah!
Whoa. No wonder it didn't work.
I'm gonna cut myself for sure.
You want gloves?
No.
Okay, that's what I like to hear. You just kind of rock it back and forth.
There she is. Come on, honey.
Make sure you're holding on to the plastic and not the wires.
How can you not make that noise in my face? Well, she's almost there.
Good thing you're not working flat rate.
No, I work by the hour.
You get paid by the hour, not by the effort. Although the effort is pretty significant right now, based, especially considering the results. Just take it off.
I'm trying, man.
Only thing you're trying is my patience here. Holy cow.
It seriously won't come out anymore. Can you get it?
It will. Got it.
That's what I was trying to avoid.
It's fine.
You won.
Safety third. I would fish that in there behind the trim ring before you,
Trying to attach.
yeah, hold on. You see a problem on the back of that new headlight?
Oh. Cap.
Hound dog, you better not be stalking that cat.
Just shove it in.
As long as you got it the right way. Do you have it the right way?
Is it? No.
It's good, because it's not going to be easy to just shove it if it's the wrong way. Also, the less we wiggle that around, the better, since we left that screw attached. Because those metal tabs are real thin, you'll bend them, and then break them.
Now you tell me. Nope.
You want Dad to push it on there?
Oh, sweet.
There we go. All right.
Oh, that was your spine.
Put it back together.
Where's Daddy's? Yeah.
Look at that. So maybe now, before we put everything back together, would be a good time to make sure it works.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
It work?
No. Neither of them are working.
Nothing?
Neither of them.
Oh, maybe it's because I'm pulling the vent.
Bro!
Wrong lever!
Yeah, that's right. It's on.
You want headlights? Or high beams?
Yeah. That's it. She's on.
Were you a little nervous there that it wasn't coming on? So, the trim ring.
Trim ring.
Do you want to put it back in with 2, or do you want to leave it exposed until you get a little plastic
Do you think it'll be okay with 2?
I don't know, what do you think? What would you do if I wasn't here?
Panic?
Honestly.
Honestly. Kitties. Just gonna do trim the ring?
Pop quiz, hot shot.
I think it'll be fine.
That's what I like to hear. Like old Puddin says, if 2 won't hold it, 3 never would have. That's what Puddin says.
Okay.
Things like that.
Good to know.
Maybe not exactly that. I would put it in there correctly, though, if I was doing it.
This way.
Is it?
Yeah, because the top's screwed. Ha! It's all screwed. I'm slow.
So now you know a lot of those fasteners are plastic. So that's why you don't hammer them down with a drill. Because it just takes, a fraction of a second to completely destroy it. Whoa!
It's jumping.
Does it feel froggy?
It feels a little, squishy. But it's good now. Look at that.
All right. All done. How much was the headlight?
14.
$14?
Yeah.
$14?
Inexpensive?
Did you feel violated?
No.
You should have. No, they used to be like 5.
Hey.
Back when I was selling auto parts.
Yeah, but also, people don't use these headlights anymore. They'd prefer to pay $30 for one.
Yeah. I would have much rather put different housings in it and put H4 bulbs in it and had it, light up the future.
No.
It would have looked the same.
One part of driving old cars is not knowing where you're going at night.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. So we got, half hour in this?
Not even.
10 minutes? 20 minutes?
10 minutes tops.
All right.
No, I'm just kidding.
I think,
Probably more than
yeah, the video is going to be longer than that after I edit stuff out.
Rolling.
Anyway, $16, a couple of Phillips screwdrivers, never done it before, 20 minutes, pretty easy, as long as you don't take the adjusters out. If you take the adjusters out, it makes it more of a pain in the butt, because then you got to get them back in and you got to get them adjusted. Until next time, check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and remember,
If he can do it, you can do it.
it's so hard to find good help. You want to try it again?
If we can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it.
Now I feel like you're mocking me.
No.
All right, last time. We'll edit all the other stuff out. You ready?
I don't know what it is. If I can do it, you can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, and remember,
If I can do it, you can do it.
thanks for watching.